Do you trust yourself? When you have a moment where you feel like there is something more, but you can't put your finger on it, and something in your body either tells you to move away or to pursue it, to challenge it, to question it, to look a little deeper. Do you listen to that nudge or do you just dismiss it? Do you just move on and forget about it, or do you kind of question it and say, what was that about? It's more important than ever to be trusting that inner knowing, that intuitive push or pull or pause. Because there's something happening right beneath the surface that we don't yet see, but that our energy is connecting with. And it's leading us. It's telling us what we need to be and what we need to be doing. So pay attention. Quiet your surroundings and connect so that you may find yourself exactly where you need to be, when you need to be there, and never doubt that, because you know you're trusting